Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Join me, let's make this easy banana bread that is enough to feed 2 people. It is so delicious and very easy to make with just simple ingredients you already have at home. Into a bowl, we'll be adding 1 banana. The more ripe the banana, the better it is. You know, that banana you consider overripe, that is the one we want. So we're going to add the banana into the bowl and then we'll go ahead and mash it very well with a fork or your balloon whisk. Next, we go ahead and add 1/4 cup of white sugar, that is 50 grams, and 1/4 cup of brown sugar, that is another 50 grams. Then we mix everything together to properly combine. Once that is done, we'll go ahead and add 1 egg. We'll be adding 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla flavor. Next, we go ahead and add 50 milliliters of vegetable oil and 1/4 cup of milk, that is 60 milliliters. Then we go ahead and mix it until it's well combined. Once that is done, we'll go ahead and add the rest of the ingredients. We'll be adding 1 cup of all-purpose flour, that is 120 grams, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And then we go ahead and mix everything together until it's properly incorporated. For extra flavor, we'll be adding 80 grams of chocolate chips. You can totally skip this if you don't want, but it adds extra flavor to it. Next, we'll be transferring our batter to our cake pan. I'll be using this disposable cake pan to bake mine. You can use any pan of your choice, but since I'm making it for 2, I chose to use this. Add extra chocolate chips on top just to decorate it. Next, we go ahead and bake this in the oven for 30 to 35 minutes at 175 degrees Celsius or 345 degrees Fahrenheit, or until skewer inserted in the middle comes out clean. Look at how amazing it looks, and I promise you it tastes so delicious. This is a no-fail banana bread recipe. Try it and you won't make banana bread any other way, I guarantee you. If you enjoyed watching this video or you're just coming across this channel for the first time, please kindly give this video a thumbs up and drop a comment below and let me know if you'll be making this recipe at home. If you're watching without subscribing, please kindly subscribe to be a part of this family. We make amazing recipes. Also, check out the other videos in this channel. I'm sure you'll find something else you love. Share this recipe with your loved ones. Tell somebody to tell somebody about this channel. If you have any questions or any video recommendations, please kindly drop it in the comment section and I will get back to you on it. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Happy baking!